How to choose planetary gearbox. Planetary gearbox is a main type of reducer for matching servo motors. When choosing a planetary gearbox, the first step is to determine the reduction ratio. If the standard gearbox does not have the gear ratio you need, please choose a similar or customized gearbox. After determining the reduction ratio, please multiply the rated torque of the servo motor you have selected by the reduction ratio. The obtained value should generally be smaller than the rated output torque of similar reducers on the product catalog. At the same time, it is necessary to consider the overload, capacity, and maximum working torque required in practice of the driving motor. After meeting the above conditions, please choose the gearbox with the smallest volume. The cost of small-sized reducers is relatively low. Next, we also need to consider the return clearance of the planetary gearbox. The smaller the return gap, the higher its accuracy and cost. Users need to choose a series of reducers that meet the accuracy requirements. We also need to consider the lateral, radial forces, and the average lifespan. Gearboxes with high lateral, radial forces have high reliability during installation and use, and are less prone to problems. Usually, its average lifespan far exceeds the lifespan of the equipped servo motor. What other questions do you have about planetary gearbox? Please tell us immediately. We will answer your questions one by one. If you like this video, please follow us. We will upload more videos about gearboxes and reducers. Thank you for your attention.